Introducing the Buzzaround CarryOn by Golden Technologies. The CarryOn folding scooter is small in stature and big on portability. This new sporty, super portable scooter will take you where you want to go in comfort and style. Featuring a full front and rear lighting package, removable lithium-ion battery pack, a bottle holder, a tiller charging port, and a built-in USB charging port in case you need to charge an electronic device while you're on the go. The Buzzaround CarryOn has a weight capacity of 300 pounds, a top speed of 3.5 miles per hour, and an incredible driving range of 18 miles per charge. The removable seat allows you to stow this scooter in a flat position with a height of only 12 inches when folded. The innovative design includes 4 built-in carrying handles that make lifting the scooter a breeze, and can even be towed like a piece of luggage. The flip-up armrests allow you to easily get in and out of your scooter, and no heavy lifting is needed to load this scooter. Regain your mobility, freedom, and independence and call AutoMobility store today and receive free shipping.